Time for an oil change on my Genesis Coupe yet again. What I did was I went to Harbor Freight and I got their oil change master kit with the funnel. So basically, there's a lot more. I don't care to have all of them together with me right now because I'm just changing my oil, but you pick the one where it has your car on it, so Hyundai, Kia, and it's about 1.2 quarts. Yeah, it's like 1.2 quarts up here is the funnel. There's no valve on it. There is a little tiny, I guess, little filter, but as you can see, it's not really small, but it'll catch the big stuff. And it does have a lid, so no spill will be made. And it doesn't move, so you don't even got to touch it while you're filling it up. The filter that I'll be using today is the O'Reilly's Micro Guard. It's just the lower tier, since I'm just going to be using some conventional 5W30 oil that I actually got from Mexico. It's API SN rated, so it's gonna help with the low speed pre-ignition. And the cool thing is that it's you might not be able to see it right here, but it's red. Something that I thought was cool about this was the tamper seal. Not only do they have the one over the bottle, and it's the little Q quakerstate, but it also had it on the lid, which it didn't come off. But into the car, I don't know if you've seen my previous video from a few years ago, but I have this little valve. It's called the Twist Drain by Doorman. It's a pretty nice little thing. I don't need any tool down here when talking about the drain bolt. I just push the valve in and then twist it to the left and let it go, and the oil comes out. And then when it's done draining, I just push it back in and twist it to the right, and it's done. All right, we got the new filter pre-filled with the oil, so there's no lack of oil pressure. All right, now I got everything wrapped up underneath the car, so I'll be pouring in the rest of the oil. And like I said, the quakerstate 2050 API SN racing oil is red. And that is one of the reasons why I went to Mexico and I bought this when I saw it. I was like, oh wow, this is pretty cool. And yeah, this is the way that you're supposed to pour the oil with the bottle, not like this, because there's no control over it really. But this way, there's a lot more control over it, which is cool. So I'm all done up here. The cool thing I like about this funnel, yes, some people might not think that spending 40 something bucks on a basically filter is all that needed, but what I like about this is that it does have the lid, so it keeps all the contaminants out of it, and it does have the little cap on the bottom. A little wipe down like I did goes a long way, and like I said, I don't have all of the other oil cap adapters that the filter goes on, or that the funnel goes on. They're all back at home, but that's everything basically about the funnel.